Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are super excited for the Cobra teaser.
Very excited we are for the Cobra teaser.
Yes.
So let's get started. We have the best Chian Vikram sir. The versatile actor.
Versatile actor, yes.
Okay.
Exactly.
So let's get started. The teaser already has got released. So just look into the teaser and after that we'll be talking more about that.
Exactly.
So if you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and also please click on the notification bell. And if you like, don't forget to click on the like button to like this video. तो चलो सर से शुरू करते हैं ऑफिशियल टीजर. अरे ये भी है.
Cobra is a genius mathematician. Impossible, I'm telling sir. Maths use பண்ணி அசால்ட்டா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு.
Even mathematics is genius.
ஐயோ, என் பாட்டி செல்லம் குட்டி புட்டி.
Oh, that's
Numbers வச்சுதானே விளையாடுறான். I'll give him more numbers to play this time.
right, man. But
Wow, man, this is iconic.
of course,
Seriously.
I loved it. I loved this trailer as well. So back to back, we are
Seeing, we are witnessing lot of thrills, lot of action-packed sequences, you know. So here, I think Chian Vikram sir is a mathematician and he is looking perfectly like that only.
Yes, sir. And earlier, beginning of this teaser, I was confused about the Irfan Pathan sir.
He is the cricketer.
Really, I never
Irfan
thought
Pathan.
that he's in a negative role.
I think this is his the first movie, I
of
think,
course. I
and
haven't
he's
seen
killing it.
Yes,
In
of
the
course.
teaser only, we can definitely understand that he is looking very promising and he
Yeah.
will be rocking in this
Rocking,
role.
exactly.
Because the negative character always is a very strong character in a movie, opponent character, you know. So that is very strong, and I think this is a perfect match because he is looking like a that enemy only
Right.
of
He's
Chian
looking like
Vikram sir.
a great
His face-
mathematician with aggressive kind
Aggressive,
of look.
मतलब
Because
jealousy.
His jealousy and all his eyes was
His
popping
eyes,
out like that only.
Yes,
So,
yes. His expression is superb, man. मतलब इरफान
Yes.
पठान का जो expression था,
Yes.
he is nailing it.
Right, exactly. We
Right?
didn't believe that he's working in
He's
his
working
first movie. It was
so he's from
not
completely
looking-
different
Field
field.
only, yes.
He was in cricket, right? And now
Yes.
he's completely into movies and also he is rocking it, man.
Yes, of course. We have witnessed a great thing
Great
today
thing,
in the morning
yes,
itself.
man. And also, like, just tell me something about the context, what you are understanding.
What the context is that Irfan Pathan is a great mathematician, and also Chian Vikram sir is no doubt he is a great mathematician. He is like he's belonging to a poor family. He likes to teach every small or poor kind of children. And a lot of the context we have seen here in teaser itself. So he is helping a lot of the peoples with his mathematics. So after some time he gets recognized from worldwide, from outside abroad some of the great organizations.
Worldwide.
So I think after that only it will be a clash between Chian Vikram sir and Irfan Pathan. So that clash we have captured here. So there will be a lot of the fight, and they are burning the paperworks of the Chian Vikram sir. So I
Correct.
think based upon that it will be revolving around that only.
Maybe this is
Right?
the context. Yes,
Yes.
that also I understood
yes,
that he's a
exactly.
great mathematician and they all are getting jealous out of his
Success.
victory,
Yes.
success, what you call it. So
Yeah.
after that they will will be burning all of the paperworks and all, and they are beating Chyan Vikram sir like ulta tanga ke na. That time also I think Chyan Vikram sir is listening to his researches and formulas, because that time some blabbering he was listening, right? 1 2 3 4 1 2 5 6 something he was listening. So it is not impacting anything. So if you are a great mathematician and if you have done a lot of paperworks and everything, if somebody is destroying all of your paperworks, nothing will be impacting, because you are the mathematician, you have only invented all of these
and
things.
everything
Again, you
is
can
stored
do
in your mind. Maybe it will take some time.
Yes, I think they want to break him down. The enemies, they want to break him down. They are torturing him. They
Or
are
maybe
demolishing everything about.
One more thing can be there, right? Maybe he is into a great invention. He knows something that nobody knows.
Nobody
So
knows.
Maybe they want to torture him and take out those formula or those ideas from out of him.
Correct.
Right?
हाँ, ये हो सकता है.
It might be
It
that
might be that.
somewhere
Yes.
at some point.
He is into some invention. Maybe this can be the happened. Yes. So definitely that like this concept, this kind of concept now Abhay likes a lot.
Because
even me also. Because
thing,
scientific things we
and
always like prefer
thing.
to sit and watch, because previously also one scientific movie was there, no?
Shakuntala
Devi. We liked that movie.
Yes.
We eventually we couldn't do the review, I think, but the movie was good only.
Yes, and Super 30 was
Super
also
30
the movie
also,
where he played a character of a genuine kind of person who loved to
professor.
study. Yes.
हाँ, genuine professor, IIT का ये देता है. तो this kind of movie, no, it's very giving a very good impact to the society.
Exactly.
And raising a like great level of inspiration to the people that yes, we can do, and you also are seeing मतलब you also have to be like us, kind of like that. Okay,
it shows the people and small children.
Yes.
So they are calculating
this way, and
it's some instinct come in the mind of the children as well.
That they have faced a lot of obstacles, but still they have achieved so much.
Yes,
okay, but here also we see that Chyan Vikram sir, I think he is from a very poor backgrounded person. In the movie only it was showing, but still he has achieved that. He has become a great mathematician.
Yes.
And apart from that also, he has got so much fame, but he still was teaching the small children in the villages.
Yes,
so that is a it's a very good thing.
I think the personality it was showing, it will impact the society.
It is conveying something to the society. That kind of movie we always like to prefer. कि हाँ सिक्स पैक लेके खड़े हो गए and मारपीट कर रहे हो and स्टाइल मारो, ऐसे टाइप का मूवी हमको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है.
I think there will be no six pack in this movie.
And that is what I like the most about.
It will be like a common man who is having a brilliance.
Very realistic, very real, very natural. That is why I love Tamil movies, or you can say South Indian movies, because they are having a great kind of storylines, and execution wise also brilliant. Perfect. So this movie's storyline is very good, as well as execution is superb. Picturization is marvelous.
So let's talk something about the music also. So music is given by A.R. Rahman sir. So what all music you have heard here? It was the first one, the background music. Background music, it was somewhat kind of suspense, thriller kind of music was there. And I think it will be some music like a mathematician or something type of a code execution is happening. So some background music will be there, right?
Something clicking sounds, something like that. They can understand more, right? And yes, they have what they have done is brilliant.
And yes, of course, music. Apart from this, we have heard a few songs and also Tumbi Tulla. So that music was super.
That stole my heart already.
That song was somewhat kind of a love story, pure form of love story, and slow, soft music was there. So we loved that song.
We loved it.
And of course, it will be playing on the eve of Chyan Vikram sir's
marriage. Yes. So that scene I really love. That whole scenario, that though he's a mathematician, he is very busy with his work and all, but still he fell in love and get married. Like in common scenario that doesn't happen, because the mathematician or scientist level का person जो होता है ना, वो बहुत ज़्यादा अपने काम में इतना busy रहते हैं कि वो उनके life में प्यार या मोहब्बत का उतना नहीं रहता. But I really like this fact here.
He will never able to give the time
to the society, to the
any
family.
Girl will not like that kind of person also.
But I really love. Actually, director knows that if they will like only keep this paperwork, mathematics and everything, then it will be a little boring to the people. That is why I really love that.
Srinidhi Shetty, right?
Srinidhi Shetty, who is that?
That actress.
Srinidhi Shetty, yes,
Right.
the actress
She has
name,
done-
yes.
she has done a
And the
fabulous
director
job,
name is
yeah.
R. Ajay Ganamuthu, I
Yes,
think.
director,
The
of course,
director name.
director, his direction is superb, right?
Yes, director wise, he has done brilliant job. Everything you can say, like the execution wise, all of the cinematography, the screenplay, everything was looking so promising in this teaser. This movie is going to be a super duper blockbuster for
Of
sure.
course, no doubt.
Okay, because back to back आ रहा है, back to
Yes,
back,
back to
okay.
back.
हम इतना ज्यादा एक्साइटेड है सुबह सुबह बैठ के चलो आज एक फिर से धमाका होने वाला है.
We
And
haven't had our tea also. Let's
because-
first give the reaction
because
on
we
this
are
teaser.
equally very excited.
Yes.
Like previous night also we were talking like कोबरा क्या होने वाला है, क्योंकि जो वो सांप का लोगो था ना उससे ही हमको पता चल जाता है कि
Yes.
ये लोगो इतना अच्छा बनाया है कि मूवी तो चियान विक्रम सर,
Yes.
we all know he's a
Right.
versatile.
And versatile actor, and he has done something like he's trying something new kind of.
Always he's very experimental.
Yes.
He's very experimental and
Experimental, yes.
always like whatever movie he is experimenting or he is doing, that movie is like coming out in a blockbuster
Yes.
outcome.
I think
that
this
is why I
this
love
will be the
Chiyan Vikram
first
sir.
time. This will be the first
A
time
lot.
he is playing a role of a scientist, right? A
Maybe,
great mathematician.
maybe, not
right?
sure about that though, but maybe. And at the very last in the logo, though
Logo.
two snakes are
So-
this kind of fighting. So one snake is Chiyan Vikram and another snake is I think Irfan Pathan. Two mathematician
Maybe, yes.
jung.
That's what it's presenting.
It's presenting.
Earlier we thought it will be something different kind of.
We thought
to
and Cobra is the
a-
name. Cobra is the name of Chiyan Vikram sir only.
Chiyan
We
I
thought
can't
what is
believe
Cobra?
that. Really, I can't believe that a mathematician can have the name of a cobra.
नहीं, क्या होता है ना कि बहुत बड़े बड़े साइंटिस्ट या बड़े बड़े जो कवि होते हैं ना उन लोगों का एक नाम अलग से होता है.
Maybe
जिसको बोलते हैं बंगाली में बोलते हैं छद्दो नाम. आई डोंट नो उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं.
nickname, right?
No, not nickname. छद्दो नाम means they want to hide their identity.
Okay.
Okay, so this is why.
It happens. It happens.
It happens means if you मतलब if you know history, no, you can definitely get the more information about that. So I think because of that only he has taken that name as Cobra.
I
I
think
don't know.
it's not about
though.
hiding the identity, but it can be like his name is something big or something different. So
No,
in
no,
the
no,
short,
no,
in
not
short,
not like that. No, रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर का जो छद्दो नाम है वो अलग है.
That was different thing.
हाँ.
That was different thing. But I'm saying
अच्छा,
in this
here only.
context,
Okay, in this
maybe
context,
in this
okay.
context, it can be his name is something bigger or something different
Not
kind
sure.
of name.
हाँ,
So he
not
has
sure.
chosen a name that can give him a fame also, right? And that
अच्छा.
can be in short. Anybody can recall that.
Then why Cobra?
I don't know.
And then मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है, राम साम कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट. सो इसका कुछ मीनिंग तो होगा.
Yes.
वी कैन मतलब मूवी देखने
We
के
can
बाद ही
crack
पता
in the
चलेगा कि
movie,
क्या है इसका मतलब मीनिंग, क्योंकि
Yes.
कोबरा मींस एक
What is the
सांप,
story
मतलब
behind this name?
उसके अंदर बहुत जहर. आई थिंक ही इज इन्वेंटिंग समथिंग रिलेटेड टू स्नेक का जहर
no,
और
with
समथिंग बिकॉज
mathematics.
ही इज मैथमेटिशियन. वी आर नॉट
And
श्योर.
I love that line also. Every problem has a mathematical solution.
Wow, man.
That's of course that's a super
Being
line.
from actually what happened, no, we are from science background only, though we are very limited into studies now, and we never get a chance to work upon that or do some research on our own field, because we
Though
are engineers.
researching with our
We are
Java
engineers,
code
we are
only.
just researching in our Java code only, and though that is very limited, but this kind
Yeah.
of scenarios, no, always like give us thrill
A thrill,
inside,
yes, of
because we
course.
always can understand that ऐसा type का mathematics, ऐसा kind of formulations we also heard.
Yeah.
Sometimes like
Exactly, yeah.
कभी तो सुने थे.
And that also
So like
lead
that
us
only.
into a different kind of thought process.
दिमाग में
changes.
thought process आता
Yes.
है,
I think
definitely.
it will revolve around our heads also.
Yeah, this movie is going to be a
Yeah.
super duper movie and going to be our favorite movie.
Yes, of
Abhay, for
course.
sure,
No
this
doubt.
year. And they have not released like when this movie is
No.
going to be released.
So I think
this year.
maybe a month or after 2 months, maybe that
Let's see.
trailer might get released, and in trailer it will reveal that when this movie is going to release.
एंड आई एम वेरी मच एक्साइटेड फॉर द ट्रेलर, क्योंकि और भी थोड़ा सीन जो है
Yeah.
क्लियर होगा. दिस इज
Exactly.
ओनली 1 minute 47
So in
seconds.
this we have seen like some action scene was there, some mathematical
Thrill,
kind of thrill was
romance.
there, romance was there. I think pretty much everything.
Everything.
It have covered in this teaser itself.
And what we can understand, this is a family movie, so you can sit with the family and see the movie
Right.
आराम से. Okay.
Exactly. There will be not much romance, but little bit to
हाँ जो कि normal
refresh your
है,
mind
refresh your
in the
minds.
movie,
Yes, yes. So this is a 10 on 10 from our
Yes,
side. The
no
teaser
doubt.
wise, it is very promising, very good, and
Yes.
very interesting. It seems.
Exactly.
Okay. So it is a 10 on 10 from our side, Abhay.
Yes, no doubt.
Right? Yes. So this is it for today's video. We really enjoyed this teaser, and if you have any information regarding the trailer or the movie, you can definitely let us know in the comment section that
Yeah.
when the movie is going to be released and what is the context. If you have any other different opinion or thoughts
Yes.
regarding this movie, what is this name stands for, Cobra and everything, you can definitely let us know.
Of course,
And
we will
yes,
like to know those all
definitely
things.
we always read your comments, we always read and gather your information because that means a lot to us.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. And please subscribe to our channel also as well, because by that way only you can get connected with our channel with
Yeah.
us. Every time we post single video on our channel, you can get notified. So
Right.
for that you have to click on the notification bell, and also if you like, don't forget to click on the like button to like this
Yes.
video, and please share this video with your friends, family, pretty much everyone. See you in our next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.